Hey Toby, nice to talk to you. Wanted to show you a few of these, water heaters. We got this one here. It's like I said, new in crate. We got smaller versions here. Let's see, I don't know what that is here. New in crate, more here. That's not a great picture there. We got these giant hot water storage tanks. A couple of those. More hot water. I think we got 4 of those hot water heaters, storage tanks. I'll show you what those are there. Let's see here. 200-gallon tanks on those. They're all state. That's a big boy there. So we got 4 of those. All these things are new in crate. Some more here. It's 119 gallon. Still on the pallets. Easy to move. I'll send you all the details. There's another big one. I just wanted to get you a quick video here. Yeah, let's see. Another one. We got 1, 2 in box. And those are, let's see, what are those? 80-gallon. Yeah, let's see here. Yep, that one's a 66-gallon. And we got a smaller one here. Anyway, we'll send you all the details over. Like I said, we're ready. Wanting to move them, get them out of here. Appreciate it.